If you have a great book idea, but you struggle with time or writing skills, you don't have to do it alone. That's where ghostwriters come in. Let's talk about what ghostwriters are and how they can help turn your ideas into a published book. A ghostwriter is a professional writer, hired to write books, articles, and other content. While the ideas and the vision come from the credited author, the ghostwriter handles the entire writing process, making it faster, easier, and more polished. Ghostwriters are often hired by people that want to publish a book but don't have the time or the writing expertise to do it themselves. The ghostwriting process at Notion Press is highly collaborative, ensuring the book stays true to the author's ideas. Here's how it works. At the initial consultation, the ghostwriter gets a clear idea of your book's goals, message, and target audience. Then, the ghostwriter prepares a detailed outline for your book and sends it to you for approval before starting the writing process. Through interviews or questionnaires, the ghostwriter gathers your thoughts, ensuring the content matches with your vision. And every chapter is sent to you for approval, allowing you to add your own inputs and make adjustments along the way. By the end of the process, you will have a professionally written book that sounds exactly like you. Ghostwriters typically remain anonymous, meaning that their name won't appear anywhere on the book. However, if the author chooses, they can acknowledge the ghostwriter's contribution in the acknowledgement section. Ghostwriting isn't just about getting your book written by someone. It can also help refine your ideas. Many authors find that the collaborative process helps them gain clarity about their message, and they're able to articulate things that they otherwise wouldn't have been able to articulate. If you have valuable insights or a story to tell, but you're struggling with writing it, our ghostwriting team can turn your ideas into a book. Click the link below to get started. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who'll help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!